I'm Max Geffen.
And I'm Vishnu Arun.
Today we are going to be talking to you about wind turbines
and why they should be the primary source of Australia's electricity.
A wind turbine is a device that uses air movement to generate electricity.
Wind turbines are like fans in your house. They usually have many different blades at different angles so that they spin as the wind blows past. There's either a coil in a magnet or a magnet in a coil that produces kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is sent into a generator that produces electricity, which then goes to electric stations. All of the wind turbines have regulators in them so that the coil does not overheat and melt, and also so that there's a constant amount of electricity being produced and sent out. Most of the houses that have wind turbines on their roof can be easily collapsed, so that if there is excessive amounts of electricity produced, there isn't an electric disaster that is being caused. Some wind turbines have blades at which the angles can be altered so that they spin at a regular pace. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how a wind turbine works. The energy transformation for a wind turbine is from wind energy to kinetic energy to mechanical energy to electrical energy, and as an output to heat, light and sound energy from different electrical devices.
Wind turbines are widely used in Australia. As of October 2010, there are 52 wind farms set up in Australia, South Australia being responsible for half of these. These wind farms produce 1.3 to 3 megawatts of electricity, thereby producing 20% of South Australia's electricity needs. Back to you, Vishnu.
We all know that there are pros and cons for everything. Here are the pros and cons for wind turbines. The advantages for wind turbines are: the wind is free, and using modern technology, it can be captured efficiently. Once the wind turbines are built, there are no greenhouse gases or pollutants that are actually given out into the air. Even though wind turbines are rarely tall, they don't take up much space on the ground, and this can be very useful for agricultural farmers. The farmland can still be used for other uses. Many people find wind farms as interesting features of landscapes. Also, that they are available in many different sizes, so they can be used by different people for different businesses and at different times.
Single households, small towns and villages can make great use of the range of wind turbines that are available today. However, there are disadvantages to installing these, such as people feel that the agricultural plains should be left untouched and that wind turbines should not be installed. Wind turbines are noisy. Each one can generate the same level of noise as a family car travelling at 70 miles per hour. Wind turbines are also seen as generally unsightly and not interesting to look at. When wind turbines are being manufactured, some pollution is produced. Just as a fact, it would take 44,000 of the strongest wind turbines running at full blast in order to power all of Australia.
What the community thinks about wind turbines. The community thinks that wind turbines are good to be installed in efficient areas like the harbour or the airport. Although some people think that it might be too noisy and that they should be installed in isolated areas and not in efficient areas. And also they think that if the government's going to tax us, then they do not want it to be installed. The future of wind turbines is very optimistic, and we can't tell you much about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our view on wind turbines. Thank you for listening.